Before we get into the video, I have to ask you a question. Are you a woman above the age of 40 that's struggling to lose weight? You want to get off medications? You want to develop more confidence? Well, you can click the link in the description box to gain access to my website, where you can get into contact with me, or you can also contact me via email and Instagram. Me and my team of certified professionals will create you a plan that you can follow from the comfort of your own home. How convenient is that? And I guarantee you results, because we will provide you with all the necessary tools that will make improving your health easy and effortless. So if you're interested, reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be discussing the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the most well-known cellular structure in the body, but not too many people really have a true understanding of the mitochondria. So in today's video, I'll be explaining the structure and the function of the mitochondria. So let's get into the video. Now, before we get into the structure and the function of the mitochondria, I think it's important that you understand the origin of the mitochondria. So eons ago, mitochondria were their own bacterium, their own being, just functioning in nature. Then one day our cells came into contact with the mitochondria. Once our cells came into contact with the mitochondria, a symbiotic relationship was formed. Now, how did this symbiotic relationship form? Well, the mitochondria has the ability to produce energy. So that benefits the organism. And our bodies as organisms can provide shelter for bacteria, and in this case, the mitochondria. Now, the process of producing energy is called cellular respiration. And cellular respiration leads to the growth and the development of the organism. The mitochondria is located in the cytoplasm of cells next to other cellular structures. Now the structure of the mitochondria contains a outer membrane, a inner membrane, and an intermembrane that's located between the inner and outer membrane. So besides the well-known function of producing energy, the mitochondria has an abundance of functions. One other function that the mitochondria has is producing energy using fatty acids. This process is called beta oxidation. Beta oxidation involves the breakdown of fats, specifically fatty acids, to inevitably produce energy. Now, why is this important? Because whenever our bodies run low on glucose, fats can serve as an alternate fuel source to produce energy. The mitochondria also plays a role in regulating cells. So cell proliferation, so regulating the number of cells, cell differentiation, deciding what cells will transition to during their lifespan, and also cellular senescence, so whether or not cells will continue to live or die whenever they serve their function. The mitochondria is also responsible for the production of steroid hormones, so testosterone, cortisol, estrogen, etc. So the key takeaway here is the mitochondria is the life force of our body. And without it, the biological functions in our body wouldn't function. So without the mitochondria, we will ultimately die. So guys, if you found this video on the mitochondria very insightful, please share this video with someone who could use this information. If you're a woman above the age of 40 that's struggling to lose weight, please contact me via email or Instagram so that me and my team of health professionals can create you a health plan that you can follow from the comfort of your own home. How convenient is that? Okay, guys, as always, stay healthy.